Guys, naniniwala ba kayo sa mga evil eye, sa clover, and sa mga agimat, sa mga signs na yan? Kasi may nakita akong binibenta sa TikTok na parang lucky bracelet where when they wear that, sobrang magiging blessed daw yung buhay nila, magiging maswerte sila, at protektado sila against the enemies or evil forces dito sa mundo. But whatever is not in the Bible, I believe that we should not believe it. Lahat ng kailangan natin is nasa Bible na. And merong isang weapon na binigay si Lord na kailangan nating suotin. When you wear that, I assure you na hindi mo na kailangan tong bilhin, hindi to nabebenta, at hindi mo na kailangan tong i-add to cart. Because the weapon that God gave us is the armor of God. Wear that every day so that you will be protected against the evil forces, against the enemy, against the lying tongues against you. I assure you, sobrang effective nun. Ano na kailangan pang mag-worry o matakot pa sa bawat araw na daraan sa'yo. And I made a video about the armor of God on my YouTube channel, Ate Kate TV. So please watch that and I know you will be blessed. God bless and Kato out!